How are you? How's your day, guys? And how's your new year? We have a ouchie. We have a pomelo there, guys. So let's eat. First, let's open. Hold. Together with my big kid. Together with my son. I love you. I love. No. Don't fall. Hold. So we need to peel it, guys. This kind of pomelo, guys, is so very Filipinos. So very Pinoy because it's smaller. it's look like the may kumo. It's look like that. So atin lang balatan. The smell is so fragrance. So mag-eat muna tayo ng pomelo, guys, before tayo mag-unboxing ng mga gift that we receive on New Year. So mag-unbox tayo later. Kahit maliit lang po siya, guys, pero matamis. Look at the color. It's color, sabay tawag pink. So sweet. Not other like the pomelo. So sour and pait. So this kind of pomelo, even though smaller, but sweet. So fragrance. Let's eat it. It's better the taste, guys, if we put an salt. No? Oh. Put it in the salt. So yummy. Yummy. Sweet. Nabigyan mo lang siya guys, tamis. Ako na ayos, ha? Mga neighbor. Unbox tayo later, guys. Unbox that we receive a gift on New Year. It's alright. Hey guys, so good morning. Today is January 1. Morning here in the Philippines. So let's unbox our New Year's gift. Actually, the other gift is it's given just by Christmas. Then I already opened. So right now is yung New Year's gift, yung i-unbox natin. So that I received this last night. So kagabi. Last night. So mo ba? So guys, let's open and let's unbox what's inside. So first is this one. This is from his ninang. Sa ba English ninang? Ay, this is from his grandparents. So, let's open na. Oh, look. Wow! This is from Ninang Isang. Thank you, Ninang Isang. Oy. Kuya, sudlanan sudlanan sa the box of Christmas light. What's the inside? Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, Ninang Isang. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. The box, guys, is box of Christmas light. So, let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a clothes. Wow! Look at, guys. This is for my baby. Wow, nice. Wow! Yay! And they have a ampaw. Let's see how much. Wow! Thank you. 100. Na thank you so much, Ninang Isang. Nalablab dyan. Terno pala ay. It's a terno. Here, the t-shirt and the short. Terno. Oh, thank you. The color is so nice. Oh, open. Okay. Open. So, next. This one, guys, is I get it in our exchange gift. So, last night I opened this one. So, but the inside is I did not see. So, right now I'm open. This is from my first cousin. Glass. Jar. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Let's proceed the other. This is from my aunt. So, she given for my 2 kids. So, let's see what's inside. Let's open it. Oh, there's a lot of candies. Actually, this candy is from your Ninang siya, no? This is from his Ninang. Oh, 100. Get it. Get inside. Wala man, oh. Yay! Damo nagmani shan. Oh, candy, another candies. Short. This is for my first son. This is for my ace. Shala. The second one is Polo. This is for Shanshan, my baby. So let's try if fit. Another short. Na thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Atelia. Atelia, guys, is my aunt. The young sister of my mother. Mama na ni? Mama? Thank you, Chan. You give money, Mama. So, let's to Xiao Xiao from Kuya Carlo. This is from my cousin. Then, this is for the our exchange gift, guys. Yung mga biscuit. Biscuits. Another biscuits. Wow, damo Bambi. Damo sud. Worth 50 lang yun, guys. Sakto. Wow! Tambal sa tit. Tambal sa ngipon. Damo lollipop. Thank you. Be, mama ni. Ha? Wow. Ada mo kindi, oy. And the last one. Naguba ni siya gabi natagak. Same ra siya sud, guys. It's the same. This is from Ate Nicole. So Ace from Ate Nicole. Wow, thank you. Damo namig snacks. There's a lot of snacks, guys. So di na kailangan palit, guys. Damo na there's a lot of snacks and candies na. Open? Open? No? So, uy, agad na.